Today we're going to try out something new. Hi there! I'm trying out a new setup for my next couple of videos coming up where I want to talk about something that has to do with nomad work or seasonal work, seasonal jobs. So for people that do live in their car, RV, that like to travel and don't like to stay in one place for a long time, I thought I would do a couple of videos covering some of these topics. Now, an example of this would be like working for a ski resort. So a ski resort typically is only open during the winter, so you would go and you'd work there just for the winter. And then the rest of the year, you pretty much have to figure out another job or live off the money that you made while you worked at the ski resort for the winter. Many people do these working for campsites during the summer, and then they take the winter off. Or you may be someone that works at a campsite for the summer and then works at a ski resort for the winter. So there's a lot of job opportunities that people take like this so that they can travel from place to place, and I want to go over that in my next couple of videos. This one was just for me trying to test out a new camera I've got here, a new setup. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have noticed I was playing around with some backgrounds, something to make it festive and lively because it is almost Halloween. So I also wasn't sure kind of what to title these jobs, so sometimes people just refer to it as part-time work. I do like to call it nomad jobs because they usually involve travel. Sometimes it's referred to as seasonal work. Also, some of these jobs seem to attract people that are either college age or retirement age. The reason for this is because college kids, they go to school in the fall and the spring, and so then they have their summers off, and so that's why they might work at a place just for the summer, and then they go back to school in the fall. And then as far as retirement age, sometimes you'll hear the term snowbird, and there's people that basically, when they live in a really cold environment, they like to travel to another area where it's warm. So for instance, people that live in Canada, they might travel down to Arizona, Texas for the winter to avoid the snow. And sometimes these people also are looking for a part-time temporary job while they're in one place or the other. So my next couple of videos, I'm going to go over this topic. But what I always like to point out is the whole reason that I started YouTube was to share information, to help people that are possibly having to live in their car. And then also, I will really want to inspire people to, if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, mine are very basic, and so I really hope that anything that I can provide to help you start your own channel would be helpful. So I hope you enjoy. This is going to be short and sweet, and I hope to catch you on the next one.